I went ahead and decided I'm about to do a video on these because I was just looking for a shirt to slip on today. And then I thought about these and I was like, this orange seems to be, you know, kind of spot on. Or maybe to me, in person, it looks like it's really spot on. I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do this. And that's what I'm going to do. This dunk low features a clean-cut white leather paired up with an orange leather overlay, while the paisley pattern typically seen on bandanas cover the swoosh logo as well as the heel tab. Unlike the dunk low retros, however, these feature the thicker white laces opposed to the vintage-style color-matched cotton laces. So, I thought about these, and it looks like, think the bandana print a little too much, or no? Okay, so I just went ahead and threw on some biker shorts and this tee because you know that's gonna do it every time when all else fails. Or if you need a complete all black look with some colored socks or a white pair of socks and the shoes would do just fine. I was just going to get a little bike, so it wasn't nothing too major. But then I also came up on another look that I thought I possibly could do next time, so y'all can just sit back and stay for that. And I don't want to be too matchy, but these are some orange pants. Probably will not wear these with that, but I might try these on with these shoes. I have these light colored wash pants that I have that are my favorite, but for some reason I can't find them, and hopefully I do because I need them. But these probably wouldn't be too bad. This color wash, and possibly even these right here. I think those are a go. But yeah, I'll probably wear this next go round. Okay, so I just want to pop in because I feel like it's been a minute since I've actually like been on camera, like my face showing. So like the people that haven't seen some of like my earlier or previous videos, this is me. And the people who have seen my videos, you already know. But hey y'all, it's been a minute, and yeah, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video and the videos that I've been trying to maintain and keep up. And I'll see y'all in my next one.